Hello everyone. In this video tutorial series, we are going to develop a web application from scratch using the MERN Stack and later deploy it onto Heroku Cloud Service for free. So whatever the Heroku Cloud Service or the database services that we will be using the free tier. So this is like a complete web application that can be hosted for free, and anybody having access to internet will be able to access your application. So M in MERN Stack stands for MongoDB, which will be our database, and ExpressJS is E stands for ExpressJS, which is useful for exposing our backend server as APIs, and React will be used to power our front end. So anything with respect to front end will be written in React, and Node.js is where our server interacts with databases and gets all the processing done at the backend. So this is what the MERN Stack stands for. We will look into each of these things in detail while we build our application and deploy it onto Heroku Cloud. Okay, so I have documented and posted the link of all the steps that we are going to follow. So you can find this link in the description. So we'll get started with the tutorial. So first we'll get started with the setup, and then all other process like configuring the database and writing little bit of code for server side. All the steps will be shown in the detail. So I am happy to have you on board. If you have any questions, so feel free to comment on the YouTube videos channel or YouTube videos itself, or you can come down on my website and post your comments here. I'll be happy to help you with any questions that you have. Okay, so we will get started with our setup in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for joining this course.